We are going.
Today we're going to be doing the AR only challenge. You guys might have heard of it, but it's what it is in the name. Only using an AR. So.
Well, we can use heavy ARs as well.
Well, the game's in our favour today.
Oh, I would have died.
Master Chief, come back here, boy. Come on.
Are we just gonna have like 4 ARs in our inventory and then like a med section?
Yeah.
Seeing as we are here, should we get the chug cannon? Oh no, because that's not an AR.
No, you can use exotic
meds
and stuff.
Yeah, because they're meds.
Med weapons. But no quad launcher.
No, quad launcher is not an AR. So I call fish stick building.
Oh, can I land down and just find somewhere else? Actually, no, I'll just land clock tower.
I called the blue one.
Yeah, I'll land clock tower.
Okay, I think Potato calls cap and carp, I guess then. I don't know if Remedy spawned. If Remedy spawned, that would be great because then we won't need meds. I'll buy the chug cannon, guys. I'll buy the chug cannon. Don't worry.
Thank you. Is this an AR? No, it's attack.
AR, yes.
I haven't got an AR yet.
I actually found an AR in the first chest I opened.
I like how when we want ARs we don't get them, but when we need ARs.
Oh, I just found a rare tag. That's great.
I'm just running around looking for ARs.
Oh no, rifles.
You're allowed to use nades as well, guys, because they count as a consumable.
Nades?
Nades.
Because they're bombs, not a gun.
Yeah. Oh, please.
We should probably fight the IO gods at the island because they would give us their tactical ARs,
which would be
a close range weapon. Yeah. Guys, everybody just get an AR, a heavy AR. Oh, somebody's nading me.
That was me by accident.
Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, I called this squad chest.
Don't shoot this bit.
I literally said I called this squad chest.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Can you drop me your old AR? Thank you.
Yeah, there. Okay. Oh, he does the weapon upgrade. He does a weapon upgrade.
Well, this is gonna be great, isn't it? Oh, Tom, invisible gun today. We're doing invisible gun today.
Yeah, I have shockwaves up there. I'm gonna go and get them.
I have shockwaves as well.
Oh, okay.
Right, where's the bin?
There is a bin. I know there's a bin somewhere. Yeah. Oh, Sam, I know where the bin is. The bin's here.
Is it? Okay, I'll find you.
I think it is.
Right, guys, if you don't know this already, if you go into a bin holding your gun, then switch to...
No, then switch to the shockwave. I'm looking for a bin.
Again, and then switch your gun. It will become invisible.
Why have you got attack?
Oh, you can't have attack.
I haven't found any weapons.
Oh, okay. Take one of my ARs.
AR, I found one.
Okay, that's an AR.
You
can have that. Now drop your attack.
Oh, if anybody wants, hang on, I'm gonna take that. You can have the nades there.
Someone can have that medkit. I don't care. Okay, let's go and kill the IO gods.
Yeah, because there is no bin inside for some reason.
Oh, I think there is a bin there somewhere. We'll find it eventually, guys, because it is a funny meme. Everybody swim to the IO gods. Okay. I think they did spawn. I'm not sure. Looks like
hopefully they spawn.
Oh, yeah, they did spawn.
Wow, oh god. Oh, what is my aim?
IO gods are the bossiest people in the world.
Tell me what my aim is, please. There, big pot mine. Big pot is mine.
So now we have every single AR in the game. Glamour box, thank you very much. Okay, I think we need to run to zone now.
Yes,
we go for that supply drop in mid-zone. set that gas can on fire?
Not me. Bye guys. I'll see you later. Because I've got a truck.
Oh, that's great.
Oh, chair.
Well, the truck cannon is pretty OP. That's why it's worth its 600 gold that it is. It's pink marker. That's where the middle of the next zone is.
Everybody's at PP by the way.
I'm gonna go for the drop.
I'm
The
gonna
drop
go
is
for
out of
drop
zone.
PP.
Yeah, but it's right on the edge of zone.
Okay, that is true. Get in, get in.
Come on, 119.
We need to go and save Sam.
I just almost killed myself.
Okay, I'm going to save you.
Assault
Gonna
rifle.
save you.
Yeah, need that. Assault rifle.
Come on here. Please don't bump me. Please don't bump me. Right, use truck cannon, please. Otherwise, I'll die to storm, like almost instantly.
You still
Use it
need
again.
you need some meds and potato.
I've got meds. Sam, do you want meds?
We don't need
no,
meds.
come
We've
to
got
me.
the truck cannon.
Chug me then.
Da.
Oh, it's out of ammo.
No,
It's about to reload. It's about to reload. It's very nearly done.
Tom, you need to chug me.
There you go.
Thank you. Right, now I have the great gun. Can somebody drop me some shotgun ammo?
Oh, nice.
I gives the weapon if it's an AR.
I'm
There's
driving
another
in the
drop over there as
car.
well.
Vroom, vroom. I don't know how this works whatsoever, but look at me.
I gives the AR.
Do we really
Is it
need
drop
that quickly?
Oh, I don't need that AK, Carl. You can have the AK. Carl, can you drop me some shotgun ammo? Please?
Guys, we don't. Oh, we're being sprayed. We're being sprayed.
What?
Nice.
Guys, I'm gonna get into their box because I'm invisible.
Do
Wait,
it,
it
Sonny.
doesn't work in water?
Siren skin just came out.
Siren's
nowhere.
there.
Carl, I'm going away. I'm going away from you, Carl. I'll take
Who's
the
the
shot.
siren?
I'll take the shot.
Oh, what? There's like 10 of them. Okay,
There's
guys,
like
that's gonna be
10.
it for today. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.